What's up, everyone? Disney Pixar Cars fan here once again back with another video. So today's video I would be reviewing is the Pixar Fest 2020 edition, which is Lightning McQueen. As you can see, I have like along with me today with the previous Pixar Fest cars that I reviewed in the past, which was featured on my Christmas haul last year, most recent Christmas haul video. As you can see, there's there's another McQueen, Sally. They actually removed Mater from this series. This is actually the 2021 edition, just without Mater. I mean, again, Sally, Ramon with the white paint job instead of that yellow goldish type of paint job that he had back then, 2020. And then another edition, Luigi and Guido. So without further ado, let's get started with this video, with this awesome video. Starting off with the packaging, as you can see right there, Pixar Fest edition with the like with the like very nice little Pixar ball that is obviously seen, which we all commonly known in Toy Story. It says there Pixar. It shows McQueen, Mater, and Ramon on the package. I think I can't actually remember. If I'm not mistaken, it shows on the 2021 edition McQueen, Sally, then Ramon, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. I guess if it... Oh yeah, McQueen, Sally, and Ramon on the like 2021 Pixar Fest edition. Again, this is the Pixar Cars logo on the name tag. Lightning McQueen Pixar Fest edition. So, it says right there. It's actually the exact same expression as the 2021 variant, which we would be comparing later on during the actual review once I unbox this guy. Mattel. As you can see, it's with the blue background and the back of the package. It's actually during the Blue Desert era back then, 2020. As you can see, there's like some tapes on it, since it's been in storage and haven't been opened, and it's almost about to open, so that's why I taped it right before I unbox this guy, so I can unbox this guy on camera for you guys. So yeah. So that's it. And then at the back, it pretty much shows Pixar Fest. Surely this is the 2020 variant. Pixar Fest, the little Pixar ball again. The thrill of the race, the power of friendship. Welcome to the world of cars. Ready, set, go. That very nice little description. As you can see, it shows McQueen, which we would be reviewing today. Ramon, the gold variant, the yellow slash goldish variant, which this guy does not to be confused with this guy, which was most recently released 2021, which I also reviewed, and brand new Mater, which they all at which have that Pixar ball on their hoods, as you can see right there. Says there, excuse me, Pixar. So without further ado, let's get this guy all opened up. Wait, before I open this up, I would be also comparing them side by side with some other McQueens, which are like slightly similar to like the paint scheme of this guy. As you can see, like the ones that I'm showing right now. There we go. So without further ado, let's get this guy all opened up. Carefully then. Don't rip. Oh my goodness. Wow. Just wow. Almost a clean open, I guess. Oh my goodness, look at the blister. Like, wow. So, oh no, it's falling out. Whatever. There we go. And bam. Here he is, all out of the package. Looking really awesome, stunning. So let's start off with this Solo Dolo review. Starting off with the front. Starting off with this hood decal. The front decals, which is starting off with this hood. As you can see, it says there Pixar with the very nice Pixar ball in the background. And then the silver stripe that goes from the hood all the way to the back, all the way to the spoiler. Number 95 in silver. Oh my goodness, it's actually reflecting in the light of this thing. In the lighting of the room, actually it's actually reflecting, which is the silver. 95 again with the silver lightning bolt. The Pixar lamp along with the ball. Lightyear tires with gray rims. I mean, yeah, Lightyear text on the tires. So on the back, pretty much nothing else besides the tail lights. Number 95 right there. Then as you can see, the silver stripe continues on all the way at the back and stops right before it reaches or hits the bumper. It says they're Pixar. Instead of it's like, yeah, whatever. Then same thing on the other side. Cool. Oh yeah, I did not nearly forgot to mention Pixar right there. Here we go on the bottom. Pixar. Same thing on the. It's really quite tricky to focus on because of the lighting, since like the reflection of the silver is reflecting. As you can see right there, pretty shiny. There's the base if you're interested. And then now for some minor comparisons, starting off with the so we're starting off first slowly with the slightly iconic one, which is the Radiator Springs or RS Lightning McQueen. Almost similar paint scheme. Overall, it's not all that similar, but the paint schemes are really similar, but it's still a nice release overall. There we go. And then next up we have is Cruisin' McQueen. Cruisin' Lightning McQueen, which I am actually looking forward in getting that Thailand variant of Cruisin' McQueen, which has the corrected bumper stickers on the back. Don't mind the chip on mine, I'm really sorry about that. I mean, anyways, I really hope I could get the Mater and then the Ramon Pixar Fest Ramon 2020 edition pretty soon. Which sadly though I was only able to get this guy, not along with the other two. I was also planning to get the 3, but I was unfortunately lucky enough to get all 4 of these for Christmas. And then lastly, not really lastly, second to the last, which is this Road Trip Lightning McQueen. which was released back then, 2020, 2016, which was before the Cars 3 era, and then also before the Cars 3 merchandise was leaked, May 1st of 2017. As you can see, it came with this trailer, number 95, which is plastic. Also has like the same metallic finish or paint scheme as Lightning McQueen, as as the Road Trip McQueen. Also has the very nice spoiler though on the top. It also opens from the back, 95. Almost have the same details as the Cruisin' Lightning McQueen, which to be exact is the the Road Trip McQueen. Same bolt and then same design as the Cruisin' variant of Lightning McQueen. And then also the back door opens. As you can see, spare tire. As you can see, has a Rusty's oil can and some tires. But that's not we're actually reviewing for today. I mean, in comparison with this McQueen, it's actually this guy. Pretty sick. Oh wow. I mean, as you can see, also has the trailer hitch. Man, the silver is really reflecting on this guy. Then let's stop for the comparison with some other similar variants of McQueen, which is this RRC or Rusty's Racing Center Lightning McQueen, which also has like the gold foiling around it, which is also quite similar to the Pixar Fest McQueen. Rusty's 95. And shiny, pretty shiny. And that's pretty much also it. Then lastly, comparison now to the 2021 release of Pixar Fest Lightning McQueen, which has the exact same expression. There we go, focus. There we go. Exact same expression, just without like the stripe on the hood that goes all the way to the spoiler. Which, I mean, the decals, by the way, also the headlights are also similar. Which also, this guy is also in resemblance of the RS McQueen, or the also in resemblance of the Radiator Springs McQueen, which is this guy. As you can see, like the decals are actually almost similar. The 2021 variant of McQueen. As you can see right there, number 95 with the Pixar lamp and then the little Pixar ball. They actually removed the word Pixar on the bottom. Instead, just put number 95 and then with the inside of a half oval, white half oval shape, which is also in resemblance, by the way, for the RS Radiator Springs McQueen. Silver, gray rims, exactly the same gas cap, and then this time it has, instead of having the big bolt, it has a small Rusty's logo right there near, right on the bottom of the gas cap. tail lights. Rusty is right over there, the back. And then as you can see, like the silver stripe didn't actually go all the way to the back, and there, it doesn't also have the word Pixar. And that's pretty much also it. Same thing on the other side. There we go. And then on top, number 95 black number 95 inside of a silver circle. Here it's just a silver 95 over the silver stripe. So yeah, so I guess that's all, pretty much the details for this McQueen. So that's all I can say. So I guess I hope you enjoyed this very nice and quick review of this diecast, which is slightly a long video, to be honest. I'm very sorry. So I guess see you soon for another video, which would be hopefully be on which would hopefully be on these guys, if I can fit them all in camera, which is this Disney Store 3-pack, which is the Heavy Metal Mater 3-pack, which I got them all loose, which not pretty much of a bad deal on these, except for this Mater has a slightly small chip on the roof. But yeah, so I guess see you soon for another video. So bye. So this is the Pixar Cars Lover signing out. This is the Pixar Cars fans signing out, and peace out.